In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out and save PDF forms in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Adobe Acrobat Reader is a powerful tool for handling PDF documents, and whether you're managing forms for work or personal purposes, knowing how to efficiently fill them out and save copies is a valuable skill. First, you'll want to begin by opening your PDF form in Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you haven't installed Adobe Acrobat Reader yet, it's available as a free download from Adobe's website, and it's a great tool for managing your PDF documents. Once you have Acrobat Reader open, navigate to the PDF form you need to fill out and double-click to open it. Once your document is open, it's important to identify the type of form you have: interactive or flat. An interactive form includes fillable fields that allow you to easily click within each section and type in your information. You'll notice that these fields are clearly defined, often indicated by boxes or lines where your cursor automatically changes to a typing cursor. On the other hand, a flat form is simply a static page without any interactive fields, meaning you'll have to employ a different strategy, such as using the Fill and Sign tool to manually place text. With an interactive form, your task is straightforward. Simply click on each required field and type the necessary information. Take your time to ensure the information you provide is accurate, as precision is key in documents that might hold significant importance, such as applications or official records. As you fill out the form, remember that not every field may require an entry. Optional fields are typically marked, so feel free to leave those blank if they don't apply to you. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, the next step is to save your work. Saving your completed form ensures that you have an editable copy should you need to make changes later. In Adobe Acrobat Reader, go to the upper menu bar, click on File, and then choose Save As if you want to rename the file or change its save location. If you're content with overwriting the current version, simply select Save. It's a crucial practice to name your file in a way that makes it easy to identify in the future. Perhaps include details like the date or context in the file name. Completing and saving forms digitally not only streamlines your workload, but also ensures that you maintain pristine copies without the hassle of printing, filling out by hand, and scanning. It's an efficient way to handle what could otherwise be a cumbersome task, and by using Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can accomplish this with ease and confidence. Thank you for joining me today, and happy PDF filling!